Chapter 15. Active and Passive Voice. Let's learn active voice and passive voice. A sentence where the subject performs the action is said to be in the active voice. For example, the teacher teaches the students. Here, the sentence shows the active voice in which the subject, the teacher, is doing the action indicated by the verb teaches. A sentence where the subject does not act directly but is acted upon by the verb is called a sentence of passive voice. For example, the students are taught by the teacher. It should be noticed in this example that the subject of the previous sentence has taken the place of the object, and, similarly, the object of the previous sentence has occupied the place of the subject. This is a reversal or interchange of roles between the subject and object of the two sentences. It can be seen that the core sense and meaning of the sentences remain the same in both the examples. Remarkably, the role and form of the verb has changed. In the second sentence, the verb phrase, is taught, does not indicate direct action of the subject, the student, rather shows that the subject has been acted upon. In the second example, the subject of the sentence approaches or connects with the verb somewhat indirectly or passively. Hence, it is called a case of passive voice. Formation of passive voice. Each tense has its own passive voice which is created by using a form of the auxiliary verb to be plus past participle. Remember, verbs that do not have an object, for example, arrive, exist, go, live, sleep, cannot be changed into the passive form. Hence, the following two aspects are very important in the formation of passive voice. The key to the formation of passive voice is the use of past participle form of the verb with an auxiliary verb put before it. For example, you took it yesterday. Active voice. It was taken by you yesterday, passive voice. The verb form in a passive voice sentence takes shape in accordance with the tense being used in it. The following chart shows the formation of sentences in passive voice in all kinds of states, that is simple, continuous and perfect forms in all kinds of tenses, past, present and future. Tense. Auxiliary plus past participle active passive voice. Simple present. Subject plus am is are plus past participle by plus object. I play cricket every day. Active. Cricket is played by me every day. Passive. My friend waters the plants. Active. The plants are watered by my friend. Passive. Present continuous. Subject plus am is are plus being plus past participle plus by plus object. They are playing football. Active, football is being played by them. Passive. He is feeding the animals. Active. Animals are being fed by him. Passive. Present perfect. Subject plus has, have plus been plus past participle plus by plus object. I have planted many trees. Active. Many trees have been planted by me. Passive. She has posted the letter. Active. The letter has been posted by her. Passive. Simple past. Subject plus was, were plus past participle plus by plus object. The traffic police stopped Tarun. Active. Tarun was stopped by the traffic police. Passive. We stopped further protests. Active. Further protests were stopped by us. Passive. Tense. Auxiliary plus past participle. Active, passive voice. Past continuous. Subject plus was, were plus being plus past participle plus by plus object. They were cleaning the room when we arrived. Active. The room was being cleaned when we arrived. Passive. They were cleaning the curtain when we were away. Active. The curtains were being cleaned by them when we were away. Passive. Past perfect. Subject plus had plus been plus past participle plus by object. They had roasted the nuts. Active. The nuts had been roasted by them. Passive. The humans had created wheel ages ago. Active. The wheel had been created by humans ages ago. Passive. Simple future. Subject plus modal plus be plus past participle plus by plus object. They will post the papers tomorrow. Active. The papers will be posted tomorrow. Passive. I shall complete the task tomorrow. Active. The task will be completed tomorrow. Passive. Future perfect. Subject plus modal plus have been plus past participle plus by plus object. They will have called you by 8 o'clock. Active. You will have been called by them by 8 o'clock. Passive. She will have cooked the food by evening. Active. The food will have been cooked by her by evening. Passive. Modals. Subject plus modal plus be plus past participle plus object. We can teach English through correspondence. Active. English can be taught through correspondence. Passive. May God bless you with health. Active. May you be blessed with health. Passive. Some general rules of the grammar of voice. Personal pronouns often get changed with change of voice. Often personal pronouns get changed when a change of voice takes place. For example, I need some guidance. Active voice, some guidance is needed by me. Passive voice, we brought them up. Active voice, they were brought up by us. Passive voice, long phrase remains unchanged in particular cases. Sometimes the object is a long phrase and it remains intact even when the voice gets changed in the sentence. For example, Nelson commanded a fleet of ships. Active voice, a fleet of ships was commanded by Nelson. Passive voice, rules of formation of interrogative in the passive voice. The interrogative sentences retain their interrogative form when they are changed from active to passive or vice versa. Some rules of changing interrogative sentences from active to passive are as follows. When an interrogative sentence is changed from active to passive voice, primary auxiliary verbs do, does and did are not used when an interrogative sentence is changed from active to passive voice. For example, do the children play football? Active voice is football played by the children. Passive voice, did she invite you? Active voice, were you invited by her? Passive voice, verbs has, have, had, will, shall, can, may, etc. do not change their position, that is, they remain at the beginning of the sentences when an interrogative sentence is changed from active to passive voice. For example, have you spoken to them? Active voice, have they been spoken to by you? Passive voice, will you accompany him? Active voice, will he be accompanied by you? Passive voice, question words when, why, where, how and what do not change their position, that is, they remain at the beginning of the interrogative sentences. For example, when will they celebrate the victory? Active voice, when will the victory be celebrated by them? Passive voice, what did he report? Active voice, what was reported by him? Passive voice, who changes to by whom and whom changes to who when an interrogative sentence gets changed from active to passive voice. For example, who threw that ball? Active voice, By whom was that ball thrown? Passive voice. Whom did you tell? Active voice. Who was told by you? Passive voice. Use of let in changing from active to passive voice. For commands, let is used in imperative sentences with a sense of command. For example, open the door. Active voice. Let the door be opened. Passive voice. Sentences beginning with let is used as the beginning. For example, let him play as the opening batsman. Active voice. Let the opening batsman position be played by him. Passive voice.